detach the safety ring. Reattach the hose to pierce the can. Now identify the high side and low side fittings, identified with an L and an H. The low side is the fat line, which you want to attach the quick coupler to. Check the pressure, see what the reading is. This reading isn't a reading we gauge by. We have to wait till the compressor engages. Now turn on the AC unit. Watch the gauge drop down, and now start to pull the trigger, invert the can, and add more Freon. Slowly release the trigger, check your reading, add more Freon again till you get to your desired pressure, which is typically 23 to 30 psi with the system running.